Are sleepless nights stealing your energy and focus? What if you could reclaim your vitality with just one easy solution? Introducing U-Sleep, your path to deep, natural sleep without the grogginess of traditional aids. Imagine falling asleep in minutes and waking up genuinely refreshed. U-Sleep's unique formula harnesses the power of natural ingredients to reset your body's sleep architecture. Benefit number 1. Fall asleep faster with a calm mind. Key ingredients like L-Theanine and Lemon Balm quiet racing thoughts, allowing you to drift off peacefully. Benefit number 2. Enjoy uninterrupted sleep all night long. Specially formulated to stabilize cortisol levels, U-Sleep helps prevent those annoying 3 a.m. wake-ups. Benefit number 3. Wake up feeling truly energized. Unlike other sleep aids, U-Sleep promotes natural melatonin production, eliminating grogginess and setting you up for a great day. What makes U-Sleep stand out? Its synergistic blend of scientifically studied ingredients resets your sleep cycle without dependency. Enjoy the benefits of pure, natural rest. Thousands of users have transformed their lives through U-Sleep. Just like Mary from Tampa, who regained her youthful energy, or Lisa from Chicago, who finally found harmony in her marriage. Don't let sleepless nights control your life any longer. Unlock the quality sleep you deserve. Click the link in description and pinned comment to order U-Sleep today at a special 60% discount and experience the difference for yourself. Act now, as stock is limited. You have nothing to lose with our 60-day money-back guarantee. Start your journey towards rejuvenating sleep with U-Sleep.